Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is TCL 40R 5G, and in this video I am going to show you how to show touches in screen recording on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to swipe from the top to the bottom like this to open shortcut panel. Here we have to find screen recorder that we have to hold on like this. Here we have screen recording settings, and there is this option record touch interactions that we can turn off or turn on. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!